Well, came home from work, and after 17 hours and 20 minutes, my 3 pumpkins completed. So now we need to remove them, which, since it's very cooled, it's kind of neat. These are all the tree supports. I did it on a raft. Tree supports actually go inside a little bit. Going to need to touch that up a little. So let's see if we can break these loose. Oh, it's not coming out nice. Probably end up breaking the pumpkins before I get them off the trees. Yeah, it's really kind of stuck there. There we go. Breaking it loose. So there's one pumpkin. With a tree support stuck inside. Okay, so that's out. So there's one. Here's the second one. And let's see about number 3. It's really stuck on the stem up here. There we go. Tree supports went right into the mouth. That's probably not a good sign. There's the raft with what's left of the tree supports. And that was not going to pull because that was all through. A little rough where the tree was at. So there's the third one. So now I have 3 Halloween pumpkins.